Hey, Attorney Frank Carney here. We represent a lot of injured workers who get hurt at work, and we get this question over and over. Why do I need a disability note or an out of work slip every time I go to the doctor? Here's the answer. That's what really keeps your benefits going, because the insurance company is going to need constant proof that you can't physically return to work. So every time you go to the doctor, make sure you get a note that says, I'm still recovering from shoulder surgery or from knee surgery or back surgery, or I'm still in therapy and I can't work, or I'm limited to lifting 20 pounds or 10 pounds or whatever the restrictions are. But it's really important that you get that. And here's a pro tip, because we represent a lot of injured workers and we deal with these doctors' offices all the time. They'll tell you, oh, we'll send it to the insurance company, we'll send it to your lawyer. They don't really do that. Make sure that you get it to us, and then we get it to the insurance company. That keeps everything rolling. That keeps your checks going on time. That keeps the authorization for your medical treatment in line. And so again, you don't have to worry about anything. We take care of all of those details in the legal process, and you can focus on getting better on your rehab and your recovery. Thanks.